Okay, so question from, so we have these. This is one of the easy questions. So what we're gonna do, just like this is the same as the question we did at face. So I'm gonna take my question y equal to fx, then equal to ax plus b. Okay. So now they say here, look, f of, so I can do this here. F of 3 means f of 3 equal to negative 2 over 3. So now let's come here. See, x equal to 3 means, look, f3. F of 3 means I'll say f of 3. So what is my x? X equal to 3. So say a times x. So a times, what is a? 3. So it's going to be 3a. Now plus our b. But we know all f of 3 equal to negative 2 over 3. So instead of saying f of 3, I'll say negative 2 over 3. So you have a 3a plus b. Okay, so you want to make it linear. So how do we make it linear? I multiply by the denominator throughout. Multiply by this 3 throughout by 3 by 3. This and this cancel, this and this cancel. So left with negative 2. 3 times 3 equal to 9a. And this is going to be plus 3b. Let me call this first equation. So I'm going to do the same step for the second. Okay? So let's go for the second one, which is f8. So I have f8 equal to negative 4. So now let's go. Easy, man. So now I want to say f of 8. What is the x? X equal to 8. So see this and that. So f now, what is the x? 8. So whenever there's the x, which is 8 now, equal to a times x, means a times x is 8. It's going to be 8a and the plus our b. But f of 8 equal to negative 4 means this f of 8 equal to negative 4. So say negative 4 equal to 8a plus b. You know what I'm saying? So we got another equation here, which is, let's call it second equation. So I have to solve this and this equation simultaneously. There's a lot of ways you can solve this equation. Okay? Okay, I'm going to show you two ways. Let me show you both methods so you can have an option to see which method you prefer. Okay? And the method that you think is going to be easy for you. So we have a simultaneous equation. Simultaneously equation. How do you know simultaneously? Because I have a two unknown. Okay, what is the first unknown? Okay, let's write this one. So let me start with that. 9a and then plus 3b equal to negative 2. And another one is what is 8a and then plus b equal to negative 4. So now let's solve this. Okay, this is simultaneous. So these are two methods. Okay, let me show you the method I think is going to benefit you because you're going to be doing this every time. It's called by substitution. Okay, see, look here, how many letters? 9a, 3b, 8a, b. So make a subject of one letter. This is only one letter, so let's make a subject. So we'll say b alone, and this take it over. So here's going to be negative 4. This, remember, is positive, so when you go over, it's going to become negative 8a. So let's call this, let's say star. So now we know the value of b equal to this. And what did you get? We got from this equation. So now since we take this, we make this. Now take this, substitute in another question which we did not take. But now instead of say b, we're going to say this. So we have a 9a plus 3, but at the b, see this b? We don't want to write b, we're going to write this stuff which you just got now because we know the value of b. So negative 4 minus 8a and then equal to negative 2. Now you come here. So this will be 9a. Let me just do here. So 9a is 9a plus, okay, positive 3 times negative 4, negative 12. Positive 3 times negative 8, negative 24. Negative 24. But what? A. And then we have equal to negative 2. Because you see the brackets is only here, that's why I'm going to apply for both. So now you have a 9a minus 24, which is going to give us negative 15. Yeah, these are like 10. These and these are like 10. That's what I deal with them. So equal. These and these are like 10, so this must go over. So negative 12, when you go pass over equal sign, is negative, is going to become positive. So we have a negative 2, it's going to be plus or 12. So negative 15a equal to, this is going to give us 10. So to get a divided by negative 15, divided by negative 15, these and this cancel. So a equal to, put the calculator, this is going to give you 2 over 3 negative. So we have an a. So since you have an a, you see this equation that you make subject is this star? This the one you make subject? Okay. Take this value here, put it in here. The a we know, so put it in here. The one that you tied. So make sure you do exactly what I'm showing you, so your life can be easy in example. So I'm gonna put here. So we have a b equal to negative 4 minus 8, 8. A we have now. Negative 2, we have a, negative 2 over 3. So now b is going to give negative 4 minus plus, and then this is going to be 16 over 3. So check the calculator, 4 plus 16 over 3. 4 plus 16 over 3. Negative 4, excuse me. We get 4 over 3. So this is going to give us 4 over 3. Positive. So our b equal to 4 over 3 positive. But now let's go to the equation now. What do they want? They say the equation of a straight line. What is the equation? This is the equation here. So I'm going to say my equation is y equal, leave f of x. Don't worry about f of x. A, because y means f of x equal to ax. What is A? A is negative 2 over 3. Negative 2 over 3 x plus b. B equal to 4 over 3. You know what I'm saying? So that's our equation. But if we come in option, none of them. So what we're going to do, that's the equation. That's the final answer. But it's not in this option. So what you're going to do, you're going to make it linear. How are you going to make it linear? Multiply by 3 throughout. So multiply, because you don't want this denominator in the option. So multiply by 3, multiply by, because you want to get rid of this. And then multiply by 3. So this will be 3y equal, 3 and 3 cancel, so negative 2x. 3 and 3 cancel, it's going to be what? 12. You understand? So that now, we go back again and we look at it. Like, oh, it's not 12, my apology. This and this cancel is 4. This is give us a 4. So now you look, oh okay, now let me come in option. Still no. You know why? Because number must be alone. So this is going to come over. When it go over here, it's going to become 2x, because negative when it comes it's going to be positive. And then 3y equal to positive 4. And this is going to be option 1. You know what I'm saying? So, man, if you have a question, man, or if you have a little confusion spontaneous, please let me know. Okay, probably making sure another way from here to solve spontaneous. There's another way how to solve it. Let me show you, just in case. You might say, oh man. So this method of spontaneous that I just show you now is called by substitution. Let me show you by elimination now. Okay, so what is the equation? Our first equation is what? 9a plus 3b equal to negative 2, and then this is 8a, and then you got b equal to negative 4. So what you're going to do, look, write your curly bracket, and your intention is to make them similar. Look, this is 9a, this is 8a. That's going to be a problem. I'd rather deal with this 3a, 3b, b. So I'm going to make them similar. So this must be 3 also. So this is going to be more easy, because what I'm going to do, I know I have to make it 3. So the number that you're going to make it 3, or whichever number, you put it outside the curly bracket. You know what I'm saying? It means if I multiply this, is going to be 3b is the one on top. So this is called by elimination. This is solving spontaneous by elimination. Look, it's actually more easy. So here I'm going to multiply by 3. So now this is going to be 9a because nothing we have to do there, plus 3b. Now when you multiply, you have to multiply for all, even though you need for one, but you must multiply for each variable or each member. So 3 times 80 is going to be 24a. So don't just multiply here, outside. So even though your intention is to change these, but it must affect all of them. So 24a, now you come 3 times b, it's going to become what? 3b equal to 3 times -4, -12. I forgot here on top also, negative is -2. So what we're going to do here, see, now they're the same. So since they're the same, I know here I'm going to put what? Minus. So you know what I'm going to put minus? Because we have 3a, 3b, 3b, 3b. So the only thing I can eliminate them, that's what called by elimination, means by removing, I have to minus here. So 9a minus 24a is going to give us, means you minus top and bottom. It's going to give us -15a, means you take this minus there. So 9a minus 24 minus 15a, 3b minus 3b is 0. So what you say? 0. -2 minus -12. -2 minus -12. Negative positive. So -2 plus 12 equal to 10. And this is going to give us 10. Oh, you see now? You take us back where we're from. So -15a equal to 10. -15a equal to 10 divided by -15 divided by -15. This and this cancel. So a equal to, put the calculator, is going to give you -2/3. Oh, you know a now. So if you know a, to get b is easy. So I'm going to take my a and then you can substitute in any of these two equations. A and O. If I come and put in a here, it's going to help me get b. So I'm going to say, okay, 3 times a plus. Oh, a I have, excuse me, -2/3. So 3 times -2/3. And there you have a plus. B, I don't know, equal to -4. So I could even take this, substitute in the first equation, but on the first question, it's going to give you the same answer. But I prefer this because this is more easy. See, less letters, letter few. So now, -3 times -2, -6 over, no, I can simplify straight away here. By 3 and by 3 cancel. So we left with -2 plus b equal to -4. No, I'm going to reset. 8 times a equal to -2/3, -2 is 8, not say 3. 8, man. So this is 8, okay, over 3, right? So now this and this is going to be -16/3. So that was wrong here. This was wrong, apology. Plus b equal to -4. Now this go over. So b equal to -4. Okay, this is going to go over. It's going to become plus 16/3. So b equal to I think 4/3 if I'm not mistaken. -4. 4/3, yes, 4/3. So it's going to give 4/3. So we have a and b. So now they ask the equation of a straight line. This is the equation of a straight line. See, it's like mx, but for this case they say ax. So this is like your slope, but you know they play around with you. So now this is going to be y equation. So let me leave that. So y equal to ax. A, we know a. A equal to -2/3. -2/3x plus b. What is a b? B equal to 4/3. 4/3. So if you look here in the option, we don't have none of these. So what we have to do now, we have to make it linear. So how do we make it linear? Multiply by the denominator throughout. So this is going to give a 3y equal to this and this cancel. So we left with -2, but with the x, plus 4, 3 and 3 cancel, we left with 4. So what I'm going to do now, if I look at the option, the number is alone for this option. So this is going to come here. See this one? It's going to come over to x, and this going to be plus 3y. This one went over, so we left with 4, which is option 1. If you face time, make sure you subscribe here. It's just a waste of time. You do this question, and it's easy like that, man. Thanks a lot. You know what I'm saying? Look, man, I believe in learning from how to do things. If it's make sure you subscribe, and you can just go and do donation to our Patreon page. I have a Patreon, I have a GoFundMe. You know what I'm saying? I have all the means of donation because to make this project going, any type of donation, the little that you think is too small for you, it could make a lot of change. And thanks a lot for all your time. Subscribe, don't forget, share this video, circulate to a lot of people, because the meaning of this project, this program, is to help as many as we can. Okay, it's not only for one person or two, because you might think it's not helpful for you, but for somebody next out there, it could be very, very helpful. So thanks a lot, man. And any donation that you did to me, it means so much. I appreciate it, man. It means a lot. Go to our Patreon page, go to our GoFundMe, because we need to have a lot of things. We need to put them together, like camera, and a lot of equipment, so that we can improve on a lot of angle, a lot of aspects of these projects. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate and I love you. Peace, man. Bye. This is one of my students of knowledge. She wanted to introduce herself. What's your name? Could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Kamli. I go to Solomon Primary School.
Yeah, China Wabantu. China Wabantu is everywhere, right? So this is my other student. His name, what's your name? Matthew, yeah, he's grade 11, man. So his aim is to score distinction, right? So you promise I want you to score distinction this time. And what's your name? Joshua. How much you promise me to score this time?
Distinction.
Distinction. Yeah, so China Wabantu is everywhere, man.
China Wabantu. Everywhere. China Wabantu everywhere.
Everywhere.
China Wabantu.
Exactly. Thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it. Thanks so much. If you had to give advice, what advice would you give to the people or to the students?
Trust Amish.
Why would they trust me?
No, because it's really good. It actually has helped a lot. I redid first year for maths. It was my own fault, but also I didn't know a lot of the work. And Amish said lots of hard questions, and it's demotivating sometimes to do the harder stuff. You just want to get done, but it's the hard stuff that makes you realize the easy stuff is easy.
Abunga